A simple case of the dynamic simulation of a pressure safety valve using the Xpsim software is presented. This case provides an opportunity to demonstrate how some controllers' interfaces work. Besides, the video shows how one PNI page, a generic .jpeg page showing a process and instrument diagram generated by any third-party technical application, can be linked and used in a dynamic simulation. Such a feature provides the possibility of a reliable presentation of a dynamic simulation study. Before the pressure safety valve simulation presentation, a short example of the use of process and instrument diagrams is presented. Process and instrument diagrams, generated with any chemical engineering design tool, saved as a .jpeg file, can be added with tags defining connections with instruments created in the dynamic simulation input file. For this simple example, a single page has been prepared, but many pages can be defined and collected in a .pig file. Let's see a couple of the connections defined for this case. Such a file will be used in the following simulation. One demo input file is selected and opened. This case shows a vessel filled with gas through a link from Li100 to LO100. The gas is discharged through line Li200 to LO200. The vessel is equipped with a pressure safety valve PSV1. Three chemical components C1, C2, and C3 are considered. Let's take a look at all the input statements defining the case. Inlet gas flow rate is controlled at 80,000 kilograms per hour. The safety valve discharge pressure is set at 40 bars. The outlet gas flow rate is controlled at 70,000 kilograms per hour. This will cause gas buildup with pressure rise. Afterward, the calculation is linked to the PNI collection file. And the simulation is started. The plant view at time 0 is opened on page 1 of the bar graph. The simulation is started and waiting after the initial step. The calculation runs for 20 minutes and then waits as defined by the user. Trend pages are opened and browsed sequentially. At time 40 minutes, a look at the PNI page is given. The simulation is continued for up to 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now, the set point of controller CT2 is reset to 80,000 kilograms per hour. With this change, the pressure safety valve closes.